Today I'll be making a chicken dish for all of you to see. This video only serves two purposes. For one, I've been recording videos for 5 years, and two, that I reached 300 subscribers, which is a nice milestone, so I wanted to make this recipe. So inside of a pan, just add a little bit of oil, and then you want to add chicken breasts diced into large squares. And then you want to fry them for a bit till they become a nice white color. I will add the correct measurements inside the video text, so yeah. Why is that? Because I don't have my recipe book at hand, so you have to forgive me on that one. And then you want to add one eggplant, or two maybe. And then you want to mix it around inside the chicken. Next up, add some carrots diced into large thick circles, and then you also want to add them inside the chicken. And then you want to take some green beans, and you also want to add them inside the chicken mixture. And then you want to stir it around till it fries. Till it fries for a short while. Make sure it's not too long though, to over fry them. And then you want to add some potatoes diced into large, very large chunks, like this. Once you add the potatoes, then stir around so you can mix it up, so you can mix everything together. Now to season it, add 1 or 2 spoons of red pepper, some mixed vegetable seasoning, salt and pepper of course, and all the usual suspects really when it comes to my cooking videos. And also some cayenne pepper for added spice, because you know, to mix up things, so I can pick up a nice aroma. And then mix around all the ingredients, including the spice, so we can mix with the spices. Then transfer it into a pan. Make sure you add water, sparkle it up with some parsley like this, and then you want to bake it for around 200 degrees or 220 degrees for an hour or two. And after that, you should pick up a nice chicken dish that's pretty much tasty. Yeah, this was pretty much a short recipe, but yeah, I wanted to make something for my 5-year anniversary on YouTube and 300 subscriber milestone. So enjoy.